I have a quick question for you. Have you ever dreamt of making money while you're asleep? Well, here's the unbelievable truth. $1.2 million. Yes, that's the annual passive income achieved by some using these exact methods. But here's the thing. It's not about working harder, it's about working smarter. Stick around, because what you're about to learn will redefine the way you think about making money online. We will cover the top 3 ways to get it done. And by the end of this video your mind will be blown. Now that we're on the path to unraveling the secrets of passive income, let's begin with a game changer, affiliate marketing. It's the goldmine many successful online entrepreneurs swear by. Imagine earning commissions by simply recommending products or services you love. We're diving into the nitty-gritty of affiliate marketing strategies, the backbone of many passive income success stories. So, buckle up as we explore how you can leverage this powerhouse method to turn recommendations into revenue streams. In the landscape of online businesses, affiliate marketing has emerged as a lucrative model for generating passive income. This method revolves around promoting products or services offered by others, and earning commissions for successful referrals or sales. The process involves 4 primary participants: the merchant, the affiliate, the consumer, and the affiliate network or platform that facilitates the transaction. At its core, affiliate marketing is about leveraging your platform or audience to drive traffic and sales to a merchant's product or service. As an affiliate marketer, you act as an intermediary, connecting potential buyers with the products or services they seek. You achieve this through various marketing channels, and YouTube stands as a powerful medium for promoting affiliate products due to its visual and engaging nature. Getting started as an affiliate marketer on YouTube requires a good niche selection and audience targeting. Begin by identifying a niche or area of interest where you can provide value. Selecting a niche allows you to cater to a specific audience, making your content more relevant and engaging. Research your audience's needs and preferences within the niche to tailor your content accordingly. Once your niche is established, research and select affiliate products or services that align with your audience's interests. Opt for products that you genuinely believe in, and that offer value to your viewers. There are numerous affiliate programs available across various niches, such as Amazon Associates, ClickBank, ShareASale, and more. Creating valuable content is key on YouTube. Develop high-quality videos that educate, entertain, or solve problems for your audience. Incorporate your affiliate products naturally within your content, whether it's through product reviews, tutorials, comparison videos, or recommendations. Strive to provide honest and unbiased reviews to build trust with your audience. Optimize your YouTube channel for visibility by using relevant keywords in your video titles, descriptions, and tags. Create compelling thumbnails and engaging video content to increase click-through rates and viewer retention. Disclosing affiliate links is essential in affiliate marketing. Clearly disclose your affiliate relationships in your videos and video descriptions to maintain transparency with your audience. Honesty builds trust and credibility, fostering a loyal viewership. Maximizing your affiliate marketing success can be done with these next couple steps. First, build a community. Engage with your audience through comments, discussions, and social media platforms. Building a community around your content encourages loyalty and increases the likelihood of conversions. Second, analyze and optimize performance. Track the performance of your affiliate marketing efforts by using analytics tools. Analyze metrics such as click-through rates, conversions, and revenue generated. Use this data to optimize your strategies, focusing on what works best for your audience. Third, is scaling and diversification. As you gain experience and traction, consider diversifying your affiliate products and exploring different revenue streams. You can expand into multiple niches, or explore additional affiliate programs to maximize your income potential. So, to recap this first method, affiliate marketing on YouTube presents a promising opportunity to generate passive income by leveraging your content and audience. By carefully selecting your niche, choosing relevant products, creating valuable content, and maintaining transparency with your audience, you can build a successful affiliate marketing channel that generates sustainable passive income over time. Remember, success in affiliate marketing requires dedication, continuous learning, and adapting your strategies based on audience feedback and market trends. With perseverance and a commitment to providing value, affiliate marketing through YouTube can be a rewarding endeavor for generating passive income online. Quickly, before we get to the next 2 methods, I wanted to say if you are enjoying this video and finding it helpful, please hit that like button and subscribe. You won't be disappointed. Now that we've uncovered the potential of affiliate marketing, let's shift gears to another lucrative avenue in the world of passive income: creating and selling digital products. Picture this: earning money while your digital creations do all the heavy lifting for you. We'll explore how to transform your expertise into valuable digital assets that people crave. From ebooks to online courses and digital artwork, we're delving into the art of crafting products that generate continuous revenue. Get ready to turn your knowledge and creativity into income-generating digital gold. From ebooks and online courses to stock photography and software, there's a wide array of digital products that can be produced and sold repeatedly, providing a steady income stream. Leveraging platforms like YouTube to promote and showcase these products can significantly boost sales and reach. Let's begin by understanding digital products. Digital products are intangible goods that can be downloaded, accessed, or consumed online. Unlike physical products, they can be replicated and distributed infinitely without incurring additional production costs. The key to successful digital product creation lies in offering value, solving problems, or fulfilling a need within your target audience. You might be asking, well, Mr. Dollars, how do I create these products? It's more straightforward than you would think. Similar to any other method, you will need to narrow down your expertise, or preferred niche. Determine your areas of expertise or passion. Consider what valuable knowledge and skills, or resources you possess that others might find beneficial. This could be anything from graphic design and programming, to fitness training or personal development. Once you have this determined, you will need to choose the type of digital product. There are various types of digital products you can create, such as ebooks, written content packaged as a downloadable PDF or ebook format, or online courses, structured learning modules delivered through videos, PDFs, quizzes, etc. A couple more are stock assets, including photography, illustrations, graphics, or templates for commercial use, and software, which include applications, plugins, or tools that offer specific functionalities. Now that you have the product, you need to create the content and package it. Develop high-quality content for your chosen digital product. Ensure that it provides value, addresses a specific problem, or fulfills a need for your audience. Invest time in creating engaging and informative content that stands out in the market. If you are planning on making money from these products, and I'm sure you are, you can't do that without setting up sales channels. Establish platforms where you can sell your digital products. This could include your website, third-party marketplaces, or dedicated platforms for specific product types, for example, Udemy for courses, Etsy for digital art. Once you have your sales channels established, utilizing YouTube for promotion is a great idea. Leverage YouTube to create content related to your digital products. Offer tutorials, sneak peeks, or excerpts that showcase the value and benefits of your products. Incorporate compelling calls to action in your videos, directing viewers to check out your products. In order to maximize success in selling digital products, optimize your sales funnel. Create an efficient sales funnel that guides potential customers from discovering your content on YouTube to making a purchase. Offer free valuable content as a lead magnet to capture email addresses, then nurture leads with targeted promotional content. Also, engage your audience. Encourage engagement and interaction with your audience. Respond to comments, conduct Q&A sessions, and address queries to build a community around your digital products. Continuous improvement is essential to maximize success. Regularly update and improve your digital products based on feedback and market trends. Providing ongoing value and enhancements can lead to repeat purchases and positive word-of-mouth recommendations. Explore collaboration and partnerships. Collaborate with other content creators or influencers within your niche to reach a broader audience. Partnerships can expand your reach and introduce your digital products to new potential. Creating and selling digital products can be a highly rewarding venture for generating passive income online. By leveraging your expertise, providing value through high-quality content, utilizing YouTube as a promotional platform, and continually refining your offerings based on audience feedback, you can build a successful digital product business that generates sustainable passive income over time. Remember, success in selling digital products requires a commitment to delivering value and a willingness to adapt to market demands. With dedication and a focus on creating valuable solutions, digital product creation can become a profitable avenue for passive income generation. Now that we've unlocked the secrets of creating profitable digital assets, let's direct our focus to an influential platform that can amplify your passive income game: YouTube. It's not just about showcasing your content, it's a potential goldmine for monetization. Get ready to explore the world of YouTube monetization, where your channel becomes more than just a creative space. From ad revenue, to memberships and merchandise, we're diving into the strategies that turn your YouTube presence into a revenue-generating powerhouse. Stay tuned so you don't miss out. The journey to harnessing YouTube's earning potential starts now. YouTube has become a powerhouse for content creators, offering various avenues to monetize your videos and generate passive income. From advertisements to channel memberships and merchandise, there are multiple ways to earn money through your YouTube channel. Monetization on YouTube refers to the process of earning money from your content through various channels provided by the platform itself. The primary method is through Google AdSense, where advertisements are displayed on your videos, and you earn a share of the revenue generated from ad views and clicks. To get started with YouTube monetization, you have to meet eligibility and requirements levels. You need to meet certain criteria set by the platform. This includes having at least 1,000 subscribers, and 4,000 watch hours within the past 12 months. Additionally, you must adhere to YouTube's policies and guidelines. Once you meet the eligibility criteria, you can enable monetization for your channel. This involves linking your channel to an AdSense account and agreeing to the terms of the YouTube Partner Program. YouTube offers different ad formats such as pre-roll ads, mid-roll ads, and display ads. You can control the placement and frequency of ads within your videos, optimizing the viewer experience while maximizing revenue potential. There are other monetization streams as well. Apart from ads, YouTube provides additional monetization features, like channel memberships. Viewers can become channel members by paying a monthly fee, gaining access to perks like exclusive content, badges, and emojis. Another monetization method YouTube offers is the merchandise shelf. Sell branded merchandise directly below your videos through YouTube's integrated merch shelf. Super Chat and Super Stickers are another great way to create revenue on YouTube. During live streams, viewers can purchase Super Chats or Super Stickers to stand out and support the creator, leading to increased interaction and revenue. In order to maximize YouTube monetization success, you will need to follow much of the same methods we discussed in the other two passive income ideas in this video, including consistent content creation, audience engagement, diversification of revenue streams, analytics, and optimization. YouTube monetization presents an excellent opportunity for content creators to earn passive income by leveraging their channels and audience. By meeting eligibility criteria, enabling monetization features, consistently creating valuable content, engaging with your audience, and exploring diverse revenue streams offered by YouTube, you can build a successful channel that generates sustainable passive income over time. Remember, success in YouTube monetization requires dedication, adaptation to audience preferences, and a focus on providing value. With perseverance and a commitment to creating compelling content, YouTube monetization can be a rewarding avenue for generating passive income online. Thanks for joining this deep dive into passive income strategies. I hope these insights into affiliate marketing, digital products, and YouTube monetization have sparked your journey to financial freedom. Never forget, success lies in action. Start implementing these methods, and may your path to passive income be both rewarding and fulfilling. Stay inspired. Hit like and subscribe for more. Thank you for watching.